So, Hope, what did we just do? Where were we? Where did we just go? Well, I'll say. Rosie's so exhausted that she's just sitting there with that graham cracker in her hand, trying to decide how soon she can fall asleep. Blink. Looks like it's taking everything she can to blink her eyes. Hey, Rosie. Did we just go to the zoo?
No.
No, where did we go? Did we just see some monkeys?
Yeah.
What noise did the monkey make? Really? That's a good one. What noise did what else did we hear? What noise did the elephant make? Do we see lots of elephants? How many elephants do we see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
8 elephants? Wow, that's a lot of elephants. Rosie, how many elephants did you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, Rosie.
Rosie saw 8 elephants too?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 elephants. How many elephants did Papa see?
I saw 2 actually.
2 elephants?
Only 2.
Only 2 elephants. How many elephants did you see, Hope? How many elephants?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
8 elephants, Hope says.
Yes, we were at different exhibits.
What do you have to say about that?
This would be a divergence of 6. That's a lot of elephants.
That's a lot of elephants to go missing.
It's a lot more than I saw even.
A baby go.
The baby elephant?
Yeah.
Where did it go? I don't know. Rosie, do you know where the baby elephant went? Blink. Blink. All gone. All right, I'm gonna run out of tape here, so I better turn this bad boy off. Can you say bye?